Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is a new version of the Baofeng UV5R mini dual band radio with a flashlight, USB-C port, tiny size and embedded Bluetooth. The radio came in this box. Inside the box we can find the user manual in English. The radio itself, it's really tiny radio, lithium battery, headphones, USB-A, USB-C cable, tiny antenna, additional stuff. The length of the antenna 9 centimeters and height of the radio. Let's check the antenna. Antenna works on two bands, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Parameters on 2 meters band. That's parameters of the antenna on 70 centimeters band. Let's compare two radios. This is Radiotory RT4D. It's not Motorola. The size you can see right here. The Baofeng UV5R mini, it's really smaller than this radio. On top of the radio you can find the volume knob with the power switch.
Channel mode.
Flashlight is really bright. On the front you can see the color screen. You can see the screen, it's pretty good. You can see all information on the sun. Two PTT buttons and functionality button. On the right side you can find the headphones and data cable port. On the rear side USB-C port in the battery. And you can see right here the capacity of the battery 2200 milliamps and voltage 7.4 volts. Maximum transmission power 5 watts. Let's check the FM radio.
On.
The frequency band of the radio in AM mode for reception from 108 MHz to 136 MHz. This radio can transmit on 2 meters band from 136 MHz to 174 MHz in FM mode. My version of the radio can receive the signal from 350 MHz to 390 MHz in FM mode and can transmit on the 70 centimeters band from 400 to 480 MHz and receive the signal from 400 to 520 MHz in FM mode. Let's measure the maximum transmission power on 2 meters band. On 2 meters band we have 4 watts. 70 centimeters band, little bit more than 4 watts, 4.3 watts. Let's measure harmonics on 2 meters band. Let's wait. I'm using currently attenuators. We can see minus 47 second harmonic. Let's measure harmonic on the 70 centimeters band. Let's see the menu of the radio. The first scan, frequency ranger. You can change the frequency for scan 400 to 430, for example. Confirm scan mode, time carrier search, scan memory. Let's go back, radio settings, step, squelch, power save, on off, Vox switch, Vox level, Vox delay, TOA, TTOA, voice on off, language Chinese, English, Roger, beep, backlight. Let's see, yeah, only duration of the backlight, power on image, voltage or picture, dual watch, auto lock, alarm mode, alarm tone, NI DTMF, PTT ID, PTT delay, alert, tail, and functionality assignment for this button: FM radio, scan, search, vox, lamp, SOS. That's all. And reset. Let's go back. Program channel, channel name, frequency, all functionality for channels. You can save the frequency manually. And wireless CPS, you can turn on the Bluetooth and steer the radio through the smartphone. Radio info, firmware 0.26, hardware 1.0. For changing the band, you can just press AB, I mean the section A, section B, and frequency mode and channel mode.
Channel mode.
You can run the stopwatch, just press the menu button, press menu button again, and for stopping the stopwatch, just press menu, exit. Changing the transmission power, just long press the 8 button, low power, long press 8 button again, high power, long press 0, that's for weather alert. You can charge the radio almost everywhere using the USB-C port. Just connect to the battery, and during the process of charging, the lamp is red. When the radio is charged, the lamp is green. Let's disassemble the radio, detach the battery, unscrew the rings and 2 bolts, and detach the main body from the case. Be careful. Inside we can find the speaker, 1 watts, 16 ohms. Let's detach this wire. UV5R mini. And right here you can see the Bluetooth antenna. Let's see what is under the screen. Let's detach the screen. After detaching the screen, just you can see what is on the opposite side of the circuit board. Let's see closely. You can find the main chip, FD6818. The amplifier H0606E for each band, 70 centimeters and 2 meters band. Antenna port, flashlight, connectors, volume control, battery connector, and processor. All is pretty good. This aluminum section close the main chip. Let's check the frequency of this radio. Just long press this button, search frequency, just press PTT on the second radio. You can see the frequency. Let's save the frequency to the channel. OK, and test it. If you'd like to program radio using the smartphone, just download the OLA radio using this QR code for Android app or iOS app. Run the application, go to the menu of the radio, wireless CPS, turn on this functionality, and select your device, read information from the radio. Let's wait. And you can see all frequencies and parameters of your radio. You can modify configuration, frequency mode, A band, B band, function settings. You can change and write to device. Just read this information, agree, and waiting for program the radio. After restarting, you will get your parameters in the radio. Let's test the microphone of the radio Baofeng UV5R Mini. Testing, audio, testing. Close to the microphone. I'm talking right now. Close to the microphone and around 20 centimeters from the microphone. Testing, audio. Let's test the speaker of the radio Baofeng UV5R Mini. Testing, audio. Works pretty good. Let's check the air band.
Transfusion level 60. Taxiway Charlie out of operation. The repair works in progress. First, strike head in takeoff and landing area. Wind 1.
That's really nice radio. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.